Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about, does your Lava smartphone have AI features or not? Let's check in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your gallery, then you can just tap it on the any photo you want to edit. Just click on allow, accept all, location, then you have to click on any picture like this. Then friends, click on edit. Here you can see remove background. There are lots of features are here, and there are also AI features also. From here you can change it. You can see here it is blur BGAI effect. From here you can just try it like this, and this is the AI feature. You can use it. From here you can blur the background by AI. Here it is written over here, and yes, it has. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.